We will be comparing the OEM crusher nut with the TriStar torque bolt crusher nut design, designed by TriStar Design and Manufacturing for the MP1000 and 1250 crushers. Using the MP Crusher Mantle Workstation makes this safe and easy to do. To relieve the pressure on the nut, you can easily cut the tips off of the 16 push rods. Once those have cut loose, you can unscrew the nut. If you want, you can also just unscrew the push rods and you don't need to cut any. Compare that to the OEM burn ring, which often will take several hours to remove completely so that the nut can be unthreaded. As you look at the OEM version on the left compared to the TriStar Design torque bolt crusher nut on the right, you can see the differences clearly. The larger OEM nut is difficult to come out, and the burn ring has left slag and melted metal that is difficult to unthread. On the right, the TriStar Design torque bolt crusher nut unscrews easily and is much safer for the guys to do. The installation process is where you'll really see the benefits of the torque bolt crusher nut. You can easily align the threads to install the nut. The lighter nut is much easier to maneuver and get in the right position. You only tighten the nut down until the gap is in the correct position. Make sure the push rods are lined up with the dimples. There's no need to twist real hard and there's no need to torque. You're done at this stage. And here's where the torque bolt crusher nut got its name. You don't twist the nut down, you use an impact wrench and tighten down each of the 16 push rods. This provides the downward force that you need. It's always consistent. No more swinging a heavy weight or hammering on the nut to get it tight. Eliminate strains and sprains and do it much safer and much more consistently. There are a couple of ways to tighten the nuts down. Which one do you prefer? Can you see the difference? We are TriStar Design and Manufacturing, helping you complete your job safer, faster, and smarter with the MP1000 and 1250 torque bolt crusher nuts.